The following day.
Good morning. Say hi. Say hi, girlies. Okay, so it's morning. Excuse the light. The overhead lights right here. We're about to go get some breakfast. Say good morning, Papa. Everything is so short. Say hi. You see how big he's got? Say hi. Everything is to eye level for this kid. Come on, Papa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go get Dada. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Alright, I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all, so we're dressed, we're ready. Little one has the bag, big one, little guy's knocked out. We're about to go. We're about to go. It's still a little overcast, drizzly outside, but we're about to go. Make sure you guys have everything.
Waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope the winds of change will change your mind. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you got to.
Thousands of tears later.
So
Who said
Mama.
let's do? Who suggested it?
hold on. So how was the game, Mama?
It was good. We did okay, but well, like in every other thing we did really good except for trying to like take shots. Like the 1-2s that we were doing, it was really good. It's like one of us would have the ball and the other would go around us while the other player was trying to get to us, and then we would just pass and it looked so cool. And
So
that
you
it was
guys
really good.
were using the skills, but you guys weren't taking the shots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they didn't start trying to make
Hold on.
attempts until second half.
Second half?
Yeah.
So this is where we played. I don't know if y'all can see it, but
Oh,
yeah.
you're recording. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah, I was asking how, because remember I was stuck in the car.
You was in the car.
I was stuck in the car. Well, I wanted to come,
Dorman Road.
but it was raining. And then I have this guy, so I'm not going to risk him. He already has a little runny nose.
I got a runny nose too.
Yeah.
That's one of napkins for me or hip towel.
It's right in front of you. That's my sister's phone. But yeah, she said she had a good game. They lost by 2, you said?
Yeah.
They lost by 2, but she said that they played really well. I wasn't out there, so I didn't get I didn't get any footage. Sorry guys, but yeah. So we're about to go eat. I will take you guys along, so I will see y'all in the next clip.
But you're going, and you know that all you have to do is stay a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second.
A lot of boring math later.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah. We stopped for gas. They went to use the restroom. All right, hold on. Can I do this, please? I know you cold. All right, come on. Give me a second, guys.
I didn't know that I could want you so deep until I saw you with someone who's not me. You got me playing in a game that ain't fair. Just taking me there, you're taking me there. I can't help myself, it's human nature, human nature. Who's to say what's meant to be? Why can't we be on the best behavior, worst behavior? When it comes on naturally, I would like to get to know you, baby. Like to get under your sexy body. I would like to get to know you, baby, baby.
Okay, y'all, so we made it back home. Yeah, I can't steer promise so. We're back home.
How you doing?
Stop no man. And it's hours later. Put the little groceries away. Sorry, the lighting. Put the little groceries away. What else? Made breakfast. Ignore my face. Ignore my face. Made breakfast. Now making dinner. So, made chili. My phone's ringing. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You want to say hi?
A few moments later.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep face.
Okay, guys, so I know this vlog was all over the place, but I think this is where I'm going to end this one. Bless you. I'm on the phone with my sister. This is where I'm going to end this vlog, and you guys have to come back for the next day, okay? Because we're attempting to vlog all December for Vlogmas, okay? Before I go, do I want to do that, or do I want to wait until the next vlog? Because I have a package. I think I'm going to start the next vlog, so yeah, you guys have to wait for that. So I have a package that I got for my little zany poo. So I think I'm going to leave that for the next vlog. But yeah. This girl over here tried. I wish I could see her face. She's over here trying some chamoy kit. And can I just show them your face real quick? Guys, look at her. Can y'all see her? This girl is crying.
It makes me cry. It's good. It's literally good. My first time having pickle. Right? It's good.
She's having it's like a spicy pickle or something. And she adds like things on. Listen, guys, I was just about to end this vlog because we spent less than 24 hours in Charlotte, North Carolina. I think that's what's going to be the title of this vlog. 24 hours in Charlotte. But yeah, I didn't get a lot of footage, but y'all will see what happened. But yeah, I'm gonna end today's vlog right here so I can start the other vlog. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.